Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to our Sports MCQ Series 2. These MCQ questions are designed to challenge and inspire all those preparing for the competitive exams and job recruitments like railway, banking, SSC, UPSC, etc. Let's get started with the first question. Which of the following stadium is the world's biggest cricket stadium? A. Fart Stadium, it is in Australia. Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. Eden Garden, Kolkata. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. The Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, Gujarat has seating capacity of 132,000 and it is the world's largest stadium for both cricket and football. It is formerly known as Motera Stadium and Sardar Patel Stadium. The stadium offers world-class amenities including 76 corporate boxes, 55 room clubhouse, and Olympic-size swimming pool and 4 dressing rooms. If we see the largest stadium in the world list, Narendra Modi Stadium stands first with capacity 132,000. Then Rangredo 1st of May Stadium, North Korea with capacity 114,000. Then Michigan Stadium, Michigan with 107,601. Beaver Stadium, Pennsylvania, capacity 106,572. Then Ohio Stadium stands 5th with capacity of 102,780. Next question. Rangaswamy Cup is associated with which sports? A. Wrestling, B. Football, C. Hockey, D. Golf. The right answer is C. Hockey. Rangaswamy Cup is associated with hockey. The Rangaswamy Cup was first held in 1928 as an inter-provincial tournament to select players for the national team for the Olympic. Question 3. Which is the only sports person in the world to win India's highest honor, the Bharat Ratna? A. Sachin Tendulkar, B. Kapil Dev, C. Sunil Gavaskar, D. Major Dhyan Chand. Correct answer is A. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is the first sports person and the youngest Bharat Ratna award recipient. He was awarded in 2014. The award was initially restricted to accomplishment in literature, science, arts and public services. But Government of India expanded the condition to comprise any field of human endeavor in 2011. Recently, Government of India has altered guidelines for the eligibility of persons from the sports field for the Bharat Ratna. The first Bharat Ratna was awarded to Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Sir C.V. Raman and Chakraborty Rajagopalachari in 1954. Then it was awarded to a naturalized Indian citizen, Mother Teresa in 1980, and 2 non-Indians, Abdul Ghaffar Khan of Pakistan in 1987 and former South African President Nelson Mandela 1990. So there are 2 non-Indians who have received Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian awards in India. First one is Abdul Ghaffar Khan and then Nelson Mandela. In 2024, awardee of Bharat Ratna are Karpuri Thakur, 2024, politician and former Bihar Chief Minister; Lal Krishna Advani, politician and deputy Prime Minister; P.V. Narasimha Rao, former Prime Minister; Chaudhary Charan Singh, former Prime Minister; M.S. Swaminathan, scientist and father of India Green Revolution. Next question. Which game is associated with Queensberry rules? A. Weightlifting, B. Polo, C. Golf, D. Boxing. The right answer is D. Boxing. Next question. The sports person Sunil Chetri is associated with which sports? A. Football, B. Hockey, C. Chess, D. Cricket. And answer is A. Football. Sunil Chetri, born in Secunderabad, and he is the fourth highest international goal scorer and most capped player and all-time goal scorer of the Indian national team. He is widely regarded as the greatest Indian football player all time. With 145 appearances, Chetri is India's most capped player. He helped India to win 2007, 2009 and 2012 Nehru Cup, as well as 2011, 2015, 2021 and 2023 South Asian Football Federation Championship. He also led India to victory in the 2008 AFC Challenge Cup. He received Arjuna Award in 2011, Padma Shri Award in 2019, Khel Ratna Award in 2021. With 94 goals to his name, he is the fourth highest goal scorer in international matches, only behind Portuguese player Cristiano Ronaldo, Ali Dei of Iran and Messi of Argentina. He is still playing as a striker for Bangalore FC in Indian Super League. Question 6. Kabaddi is a national game of which of the following country? Pakistan, Australia, Bangladesh, India. The right answer is Bangladesh. Question 7. Which of the following is famous by the name of Haryana Hurricane? A. Mansur Ali Khan Pataudi, B. Kapil Dev, C. Saina Nehwal, D. Vijender Singh. And the answer is Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev, nicknamed the Haryana Hurricane, he was captain of Indian cricket team. He became an iconic figure in Indian cricket. He played for Haryana and Indian team, and he was renowned for his aggressive batting and fast bowling, and he captained India to its first World Cup victory in 1983. Question 8. In which year Asian Games were started? A. 1950, B. 1954, C. 1951, D. 1952. The right answer is C. 1951. India hosted the inaugural Asian Games in New Delhi in 1951. India again hosted Asian Games in 1982. So 2 times India hosted Asian Games. One more information, the next Asian Games that will be in 2026 will be co-hosted by Aichi Prefecture and the city of Nagoya in Japan. It will mark the third time Asian Games has been held in Japan, following Tokyo in 1958 and Hiroshima in 1994. Question 9. Recess is the term associated with which of the following sports? A. Hockey, B. Football, C. Cricket, D. Basketball. And answer is C. Cricket. The SS is a men's test cricket series played biennially between England and Australia. The first edition was 1882-83 series played in Australia and being continued so far. Question 10. Who was the first Indian to win the world's amateur billiard title? A. Git Shetty, B. Wilson Jones, C. Michael Ferreira, D. Manoj Kothari. Correct answer is C. Michael Ferreira. Question 11. The famous sportsperson Michael Jordan is associated with which sports? A. Athletics, B. Tennis, C. Baseball, D. Basketball. It is D. Basketball. Michael Jordan is widely considered to be the greatest basketball player of all time. In fact, he is arguably one of the greatest athletes of all time. He was a 4-time gold medalist with USA basketball, including winning 2 Olympic golds, and was twice named the USA Basketball Male Athlete of the Year. Question 12. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Sania Mirza, tennis, Saina Nehwal, badminton, Marie Kom, boxing, Pankaj Advani, wrestling. And the answer is D. Pankaj Advani, wrestling. Pankaj Advani is associated with snooker and billiards. He has won 26 world titles in snooker and billiard combined, in which 18 billiards and 8 snooker world titles. He has won 18 billiard world title, 17 IBSF World Billiard Championship and 1 World Team Billiards Championship. He has been awarded Arjuna Award in 2004, Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna in 2006, Padma Shri in 2009 and Padma Vibhushan in 2018. He is also known as Prince of Pune for his achievement. Question 13. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? A. P.T. Usha, B. Neeraj Chopra, C. Abhinav Bindra, D. P.V. Sindhu. The correct answer is C. Abhinav Bindra. India's most euphoric moment at the Olympics came at Beijing 2008 when Abhinav Bindra won a historic gold medal in the men's 10-meter air rifle. Then, Neeraj Chopra became India's second individual Olympic champion after Abhinav Bindra with his men's javelin throw gold at Tokyo 2020. Question 14. Who is the first Indian to win a badminton world championship? A. Saina Nehwal, B. P.V. Sindhu, C. Jwala Dutt, D. Ashwini Ponnappa. And the right answer is B. PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu is the first Indian to become badminton world champion, which she achieved in 2019, and the only badminton player from India to win 2 consecutive medals at the Olympic Games. Question 15. Which country has won the most number of Cricket World Cups so far? A. England, B. Australia, C. India, D. West Indies. And the correct answer is B. Australia. Australia has won 6 times, whereas India and West Indies has won 2 times each. So, which 2-time India has won Cricket World Cup? One is 1983, another is 2011. In 1983, Kapil Dev was the captain, and 2011, Mahendra Singh Dhoni was the captain. Australia has won in 2023, 2015, 2007, 2003, 1999 and 1987. Question 16. Which Indian chess player became the first Grandmaster from India? A. Viswanathan Anand, B. Vidit Gujarati, C. S.L. Narayanan, D. Arvind Sitambaram. And correct answer is A. Viswanathan Anand. Grandmaster is the highest title awarded to chess player by FIDE, the International Chess Federation. Player must achieve a FIDE rating of at least 2500 to become a GM Grandmaster and fulfill multiple tournament norms. Viswanathan Anand is the undisputed giant from Tamil Nadu who reigned at the top of world chess for over 2 decades. He is the first ever GM and the only player to have won the FIDE World Championship 5 times. Question 17. Who was the first Indian tennis player to win a Grand Slam title? A. Anand Amritras, B. Leander Paes, C. Mahesh Bhupati, D. Ramanathan Krishnan. And the correct answer is C. Mahesh Bhupati. The Grand Slam tennis is the achievement of winning all 4 major championships in one discipline in a calendar year. The 4 Grand Slam tournaments are Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon, and US Open. So far, Sania Mirza, Rohan Bopanna, Leander Paes, and Mahesh Bhupati are the only 4 Indian tennis players to have won Grand Slam in their careers. Only 4 players: Sania Mirza, Rohan Bopanna, Leander Paes, and Mahesh Bhupati. Mahesh Bhupati was the first Indian to win a Grand Slam, while Sania Mirza is the only Indian woman to win a Grand Slam. And with 18 Grand Slam titles, Leander Paes is India's most successful tennis player and regarded as one of the best double players of all the time. Question 18. Which of the following is correctly matched? A. Aga Khan Cup Cricket, Uber Cup Golf, Durand Cup Football, Ryder Cup Badminton. Which one is correct here? It is C. Durand Cup Football. Durand Cup is an annual domestic football competition in India. Prince of Wales Cup is associated with the game of dash. A. Hockey, B. Cricket, C. Football, D. Golf. The correct answer is hockey. The Prince of Wales Cup is a prestigious field hockey tournament which is played annually in England. The tournament is named after the Prince of Wales, who was the patron of the Hockey Association in England. Question 20. Who is the highest wicket taker in the world in one-day cricket? A. Mutia Muralidharan, B. Wasim Akram, C. Waqar Yunus, D. Glenn McGrath. And correct answer is A. Mutia Muralidharan. Muralidharan has 534 wickets in one-day international, whereas Wasim Akram has 502, Waqar Yunus 416, Saminder Vas 400, Saeed Afridi 395. Thank you. Thank you for joining this sports MCQ session. Today we explored various questions related to sports which plays an essential role in competitive exams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content from L3S, Lotus Student Support Services. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next session. Best of luck with your preparation.